Now, this is the renovation of the columns. It's almost the end of it. You can see that I already renovated every column here. You can see the figures from 12th century. And the last column is there. They're still renovating it. Now she's taking a picture of us. I don't know what she's doing there. But it's been renovated by the Italian. And this is the last column that left, because you can see that the rest has already been done. Above us, 12th century mosaic wall, and I must say that some of the angels that you can see, one of them was found lately. You didn't know that it exists because it was covered with the plaster. This is the line. My family is right here. Beautiful. Oh, I promise you to see the most ancient floor. Then here you can see the floor from 4th century, built by St. Helen, the mother of Constantine. They built the first church ever. It's one of the first churches in the world that are still active. We already finished to renovate the roof and the iconostasis. Go. We can go. Yes.